Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, let's learn how we can add money to our Uber wallet. So first of all, get logged into your Uber account. You will see a page like this. In here, tap onto account section on your bottom right hand side. And right at this section, you will see wallet, which is also called account. So tap on wallet. Then as you can see, I have zero balance. Under payment methods, you will see add payment method. This is exactly where you should tap. And likewise, if you would like, you can go ahead add a gift card. But if you would like, you can also add credit or debit card. So tap onto it. For security purposes, you might not be able to see that screen of mine. But in that page, you're going to have to simply type in your card details, your account number, your CVV. Once done, save it. And likewise, you may easily go ahead and load funds from that specific card to your Uber account. So this is how easy it was. Thank you for watching. If it helped, leave a like and sub. We will catch you up soon.